we are discussing integration of secant cube x into tan square x dx. Okay, so here you can see n is what 3 and m is what 2. Then how to solve this problem? Okay, so here if m is odd we can do second method, but m is what even, that means we have to follow first method only. Okay, so this one I am discussing by process only, full process I am discussing here. So what we did here, to integrate this one, what we will do, from here this one will let us secant x to the power 2 and this one will let our tan x. Okay, from here 1 secant and from here 1 tan x we are taking outside, so this will let secant x into tan x dx. Okay, so here we will use by part. So here this one will take as differentiating function and this one will take integrating function. So what will come here, this one we are assuming I only. Okay, you can take I of 3 comma 2 also you can take, no problem. Same thing we are doing here because we are doing full process here. So what will come here, I equal to tan x is what outside because it is a differentiating function, secant x power 2 secant x tan x dx. So if you take this one is t, this will be dt. So this one integration what will come, secant x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus big integration, we have to differentiate tan x. So tan x differentiate what becomes secant square x. Okay, and this one integration what will come here, secant x to the power 3 divided by 3 dx. This will come. Okay, so what will come here, I equal to tan x into secant x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3. This will come out secant x to the power 5 dx. This will come. Okay, so this one we are assuming I1. Okay, so I1 is what, integration of secant x to the power 5 dx. So how to integrate this one? So to integrate this one we will use by part. So what will come here, I1 equal to integration of secant x to the power 3 outside secant square x dx outside. Okay, so what will come here, I1 equal to secant x to the power 3 outside, this one integration what will come, tan x minus integration of this one what will come here, 3 times secant x to the power 2 and secant x difference what will come, secant x into tan x and secant square x integration what will come, tan x dx. This will come. So what will come here, I1 equal to secant x to the power 3 tan x minus 3 times what will come here, secant cube x and tan square x we are writing what, secant square x minus 1 dx. So this will come what, I1 equal to secant x to the power 3 tan x minus 3. If you multiply this one inside, so what will come here, integration of secant x to the power 5 minus secant x to the power 3 dx. This will come. So this is what, I1 equal to secant x to the power 3 tan x minus 3 times integration of secant x to the power 5 dx. This one we can write I1 only, minus minus plus 3 times what will come, integration of secant x to the power 3 dx. This will come. Now here we have to integrate this one. So this one we are assuming I2. So I2 will come what, integration of secant x into secant square x dx. This we will write. So here also we will use by part. So what will come here, I2 equal to this one what will come, secant x outside secant square x integration what will come, tan x minus integration of secant x difference what will come, secant x into tan x and secant square x differential integration what will come, tan x dx. So here tan x into tan x what, tan square x. So again we have to convert in terms of secant. So what will come here, I2 equal to secant x into tan x minus integration of secant x into secant square x minus 1 dx. This will come. Okay, so from here I2 will come what, I2 equal to secant x into tan x minus this is what secant x into secant square x. So what will come here? Integration of secant cube x dx minus plus integration of secant x dx. This will come. So what will come here? I2 equal to secant x into tan x minus this is nothing but what? I2 only, because I2 is what? Secant cube x, correct? So this one we can write I2 plus integration of secant x dx will be nothing but what? Ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. This will come. So this will come out 2 times I2 equal to what? Secant x tan x minus I2 plus ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. This will come. So I2 will come what? 1 by 2 secant x tan x plus ln modulus of secant x plus tan x divided by 2 plus c by 2. This will come. This is your I2. So this I2 value if you put here, we'll get I1. So I1 what will come? I1 equal to secant x whole power 3 tan x minus 3, okay, I1. So 3 I1 we can write here, 4 I1 will come, because this is what? Minus 3 I1. So if you take this out, what will come? 4 I1 plus 3 times I2, because integration of secant x to the power 3 dx is nothing but I2. So I2 is what? This one. So what will come here? 1 by 2 secant x into tan x plus 1 by 2 ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c by 2. Okay, this one we can write. Okay, now what will come here? This is what? I1 value. Okay, so this is nothing but I1. Okay, so I1 is from here, what will come? Secant x to the power 3 tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 1 by 2 secant x tan x plus 1 by 2 ln modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c by 8 will come. Okay, so ultimately this one we have to write constant only, correct? So here if I write c dash, okay, and this also we can write c double dash we are writing. Okay, constant into constant is no problem. Okay, you can write anything here. Okay, so here in calculation I'm not taking care of c dash, correct? If you want you can remove this one. Okay, don't write this one. Okay, no need to write this one. Okay, now what will come here? I1 value we will put here. So what will come here? I equal to tan x into secant x to the power 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 in bracket. This one integration is nothing but this one. So what will come here? Secant x to the power 3 tan x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 1 by 2 secant x into tan x plus 1 by 2 ln modulus of secant x plus tan x modulus close in bracket plus c. At the last we have to add c. So this is your answer. Next we are discussing example. Example is what? Integration of secant x to the power 7 into tan x to the power 3 dx. Okay, so here you can see this is odd and this is also odd. Then how to solve this problem? Okay, so here you can use method 2. So what you will do, this one we get integration of secant x to the power 6 tan x to the power 2, and from here 1 secant x will write here, and from here tan x will write here dx. So this is what? Tan x whole square. So this one we have to convert in terms of secant. So this becomes integration of secant x to the power 6, and this will convert secant square x minus 1 into secant x tan x dx. This will come. So what will come here? If you simplify this one, what will come? Integration of this will become secant x to the power 8 minus secant x to the power 6, and this what? Secant x into tan x dx. This will come. If I take secant x as t, then this will be dt. Okay, so this is what t power 8 minus t power 6 dt will come. So this one we can do direct integration. So what will come here? This one into is what will come? Secant x to the power 9 divided by 9 minus this one into is what will come? Secant x to the power 7 divided by 7 plus c. This is your answer. So by using method 2 we can solve these type of problems. Okay.